Hey there, Ramsey with Central Florida Trailer Rentals again. Just wanted to show you guys another one of our trailers that we rent out very often. This is our 2023 PJ B5. It's another very sweet car hauler, equipment hauler, truck hauler, whatever you need to haul, material, all that stuff. Super awesome, very easy. Rides great. No complaints about this trailer ever. The rear ramps, they're very easy to use. Again, you can put them anywhere around the trailer, anywhere where these points are. Again, just got these little latches under here. Flat out very easy. Put them wherever you need to. They go right back in. Close that latch, throw that on there, ready to roll. This trailer is paired with 5,200 pound axles and is rated for a 7,500 pound load. So very heavy trucks, big SUVs, equipment, whatever you need. So just like our other PJ, toolbox and with straps, 4 27-foot J-hook straps, ratchets, battery. You've got your on-off switch for your winch in the front. Super easy to use. Winch controller, your Bulldog rear ramp stabilizers, bottle jack, jack stand in case you need it. You've also got tire iron, all that good stuff to, in case you do run into a flat. Spare tire, as well as a Badlands ZXR 12,000 pound winch. Super easy to use. Leave it engaged if you're not using it, but when you're ready to pull that line, slap it to free spool, go ahead and pull out. When you're ready to pull it back in, switch back to engaged, and then that is where your winch controller hooks up to. So just line up the white marks and you're good to go. With this jack stand, it's very adjustable. All you have to do, pull that pin out. It's gonna drop to the floor. Go ahead and reinsert that pin. Once you've got the jack stand where you want it, just like every other jack, crank it to go up, crank it to go down. Now this is a Demco Smart Easy Latch right here. It's a 2 5/16 ball. Very easy to use. Got it paired with a breakaway cable, your normal chains, and then this is a 7-way hookup.